was founded in 2015, is one of the leading factories in Shaoxing City, International Textile City. We have professional R&D team, experienced cooperative factories, and a warm heart sales service team. We always try our best to give a comfortable, security, environmental products and personalized products. We specialize in producing blanket, throw, duvet cover, fitted sheet, pillowcase, hoodie blanket, cushion, and curtain. Automatic cutting and sewing machines make our products price competitive, stable quality, and stable daily capacity. Cooperative factories have world-class production line and daily output is more than 30,000 pieces blanket or 10,000 bed sets. We work under GRS. We care environment as part of our responsibility as well. We have been using quite a big amount of recycled polyester in our products to save the world. Our products are exported to many countries and regions such as US, Europe, UK, Japan, Korea, Australia. We work with many worldwide famous brands, which enables us to be a professional supplier. We produce blankets for airline companies and printing industries and supermarkets, and work with many famous brands. We own quality teams to produce high-quality goods and keep full inspection before shipment. We are committed to providing you with quality and on-trend products consistently, plus high services, which will make your business more profitable. You grow, then we grow.